if you've had problems with a Two Trees laser just stopping midway through the engrave, these are the things to check. This is how I stopped mine from doing it. First of all, I checked the COM ports to make sure they weren't going to sleep, which you can do in the Microsoft settings or Windows settings. Then what I did, because that didn't help it, I actually changed both of these. So the blue one, which they provide, which is this one, I actually got rid of, and I replaced it with a COM3 connector, because this is a COM2, which is obviously slightly faster. So that was the first thing I did, and then it would still stop occasionally. So what I then did was I changed the power supply, because I think, because these, just bring this over here, I think these power supplies which come with it, I don't know, I could be wrong, but because they're two prong, they don't have a ground, which means static can build up. So whether that's the problem or not, I don't know, but what I did was I replaced it with this one, which is obviously the same. It's just slightly more powerful on the output. So instead of 4 amp output, it's a 5 amp output. Plus, it's got a UK 3-pin plug, and so far that seems to have stopped all the problem with the laser just stopping. So hopefully, if you've had similar problems and you've tried the comms and everything else, try replacing the lead, or try replacing the power supply as well. I mean, it's not expensive, it's cheap to do, and it's been running brilliant ever since. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.